Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a hair care product review for you guys. I used to do a lot of these and you guys seem to love these. This is the MARC Anthony True Professional Coconut Oil and Shea Butter Hair Mask. So this is 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. And yes, if you guys have been waiting for one of these reviews, then please hit the thumbs up button and also please do subscribe to my channel. And yes, with all that said, let's jump into the video. So that is what the packaging looks like. Its MRP is 549 rupees. But I'm sure you can get this in Nykaa for some kind of offer. I got this I think for 400 something. So it is basically an ultra nourishing conditioning treatment for your hair. It contains topical coconut oil, shea butter. It is known to help restore and protect dull, dry, damaged looking hair. Use weekly. So you're supposed to use it every week. And always guys, don't expect any results with one single use. You can of course talk about the texture, how it works on your hair, if it works for your scalp or not. All of those things you can say within one use. But if it can give you like rejuvenating results for your hair or not, if it can repair damaged hair or not, all of those things you can never say with one use. You at least need 3 to 4 uses of any kind of hair mask to talk about those things, okay? My hair is not completely damaged, so I can't say if it can repair damaged hair. So this is free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, phthalates, which are all known to be very harmful. So that's a good thing. I'm just gonna read out the reactions. After shampooing, apply treatment generously to wet hair, working through from roots to ends. Leave on for 3 to 7 minutes for maximum benefits. Rinse hair thoroughly for okay. The ingredients are not very clean to be honest. There is coconut oil, shea butter oil, biotin, all of that. But along with that, there is a lot of chemicals. And so if you're someone who is looking for completely organic stuff with clean ingredients, then this is not for you. You get 50 ml of content in this one. The price range is pretty high for a hair mask. I would rather suggest going for the Palmer's coconut oil treatment rather than this one if you're looking for a good hair mask. Yesterday I washed my hair thinking that today I'll be using this mask because I hadn't washed my hair in 3 days. Never use a hair mask directly onto dirty oily scalp or hair guys. Always use a hair mask on freshly washed clean scalp and hair. Quick change because I was working out, and as I promised you guys, I thought I'll just show you guys what my hair looks like before. Wet right now. I just washed it with plain water. I didn't use shampoo. Oh my god, the smell of this thing is not exactly, but it's just similar to the Palmer's coconut oil treatment. Oh my god, it's so similar guys. I doubt if the formula is the same, but it's so similar. This one is white in color obviously, but it's way less thicker. Apply it onto my hair. Not like the normal conditioners that we use. It's not that thin. It's pretty thick, but it's not as thick as the Palmer's one. That's what I mean. It's in the middle, okay? I think half of the whole packet is enough for one single use, but if you have longer hair, I need one pack for one use. You can apply it on your scalp. It's not thick like the Palmer's one. That one I couldn't apply onto my scalp. I tried, but it didn't work, so I didn't do it. But this one you can actually apply it onto your scalp. It kind of melts into your hair and your scalp. I think that's enough. I have coated all of my hair as well as my scalp. Then a shower cap, guys. I used to use plastic covers as shower caps for my hair just to heat up the things. But since the whole environmental crisis is going beyond the thing that we can do, I thought I'll just not use plastic bags and go for some reusable shower caps, and bought these off of Amazon. It comes out of three different colors you get. We will wash it off using plain water and we'll see how it looks, and if it's really weighing my hair down, then I'll use shampoo. So I just lost track of time. It's almost 15 minutes. I feel like an angel. I just got out of shower. I washed my hair with plain water. I didn't use any shampoo because my hair just feels nice and shiny but not oily or weighed down for now. I don't know. I'll have to wait until my hair is dry to say completely if it did weigh down my hair or not. Nice and clean and good. I don't have my hair dryer here, so I'm just going to air dry my hair. So far, so good. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is like 90% dry. It's still not completely dry because the power supply had gone and didn't really detangle it as such, but I haven't applied any serum or anything of that sort on my hair yet. So this is like how it's looking. This is like the raw results. I can feel that my hair is not dry. Even the ends, they're not dry at all. Like I feel that the mask has moisturized my hair. I feel that I should have kind of like washed with a shampoo or used something to wash my hair because it does feel a little sticky, like, you know, there's a little bit of oiliness in there. So yeah, I just wanted to say that is the only thing that I like kind of felt a bit like slightly weighing my hair down. You can still see that it's flowy and all of that. When it's completely dry or by tomorrow it's gonna feel good, but right now I can feel that it's a little sticky. The mask has really nourished my hair because just touching my hair I can feel that earlier my hair was feeling a bit dry. Right now it's not at all feeling dry. It's really moisturized and I haven't really detangled my hair or put any serum or anything, and yet you can see that my hair is pretty shiny. Good, like it's really good. I could feel the difference with just one single use. If you don't mind the price range, then I think this is a good mask, a really good mask. But if you do mind the price range, then I would suggest you guys use some other masks which are available, like the Palmer's mask, Palmer's coconut oil protein mask. That one is really good. It's still way less pricey, and I was thinking you don't really need to use the mask as it is, the Palmer's one. You can actually mix it with your conditioner and use it so that it's not that thick, and you can use it, you know, you can get multiple uses out of it. So one more thing, if you're looking for volume, this mask won't give you that. Of course, it's an oil mask. Any oil mask for that matter won't give you any volume. Just going to moisturize your hair, give it some nourishment and make it look more alive and healthy and shiny and all of that. And also it helps in removing dryness, which it did. And I can see that it's shiny, like look at that, it's shiny. There's no tangles. That's one thing that I've noticed. Like I don't normally have much tangles, but I didn't detangle my hair this time and still there is no tangles whatsoever. So I think it has to be because of the mask. Other than that, I didn't do anything on my hair, so I didn't apply any oil, no serum, so it is the mask. And I think it has done a good job, to be honest. Overall, it's a good product, but it's not budget friendly for me. I'm a student and I don't earn on my own. My parents are giving me pocket money, and for that money, I'm not going to spend it on such an expensive mask. But the whole concept of making such reviews for you guys is that in case you guys don't have the time to make the DIYs, you guys can go for such masks. In that case, I gave you the options if it's not budget friendly for you. And if you don't mind the price range, then I would totally suggest it. It's a good mask. I don't have any negatives to talk about it at all. With that, I can end my review. So basically, price is $550 if you can't afford it. For other masks, there are other masks If you get it through Nykaa, I'm sure you can get it anywhere in India. So this one is much less thicker than the Palmer's one, which is something that I really like about this one. You can apply it to your wet hair. Just make sure that your hair is clean. And you can also apply it to the scalp, and it didn't stick to my scalp at all. I could very easily wash it off of my scalp and my hair. If you have really long hair, I wouldn't suggest it. Even if you get it on a deal, 400-450 rupees for one single use is just a little too much, I'd say. So that is it with the video, guys. That's it with the review of the Marc Anthony's coconut oil and shea butter oil hair treatment. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. And if it was helpful, as always, give this video a big thumbs up. And also please do subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the world, guys. And yes, with all that said, thanks for watching. Any other details that you guys need or links will be down in the description box. And any other video suggestions that you guys have for me, please leave them down in the comment section. And yes, thank you for watching once again. Love you all. Bye.